The two tube sections have been cut now for the improved Orion sustainer that will go on top of a Terrier scaled booster. This is a 77 millimeter Blue Tube compatible tube. It's got an 80 millimeter outside diameter, so it's actually a little bit thicker than Blue Tube. The exact 76.2 or 77 millimeter inside diameter, and I used an original 925 millimeter tube length, which breaks down perfectly into the necessary scale length of a 665 millimeter sustainer on the improved Orion main core. And then the inner stage with payload, I had to modify slightly because I had a longer nose cone than there was to scale. So we're going to end up with the same exact length, 555 millimeters on the front end, but the inner stage payload section is a little bit shorter. It's 255 255 millimeters in length after it was cut, and that gives a 295 millimeter nose cone section from the original 187 scale. So we'll be good with this. This is just a test model for our NOVAAR group project to do some sustainment and some strength and materials testing on Blue Tube as it goes into level 3 rocket phenomenon and the highest possible Mach numbers that it can sustain without damage. We're going to try to prove some rules of thumb and establish to what degree the Blue Tube can be used in high altitude level 3 models.